In this video, let me show you how to get a virtual credit card for free trials. First, open your preferred browser, search for Just Use app, scroll down, and look for the link that says Free Virtual Cards from Just Use app. Click on it. Once you're on the site, you'll see an introduction to their virtual cards, which help protect your privacy and security online. Click on Sign Up Now to get your free virtual card. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. You'll then choose between a one-time temporary card or a long-term use card, depending on your needs. You can even create test card numbers from options like American Express or others. If you want to make sure it's valid, there's an online validator available. Scroll down to the page for more information about how it works, features, and how the generated cards are used for safe testing. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.